In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to re-enable Grammarly so that it works seamlessly on your browser, particularly its extension for websites. It's a straightforward process, but sometimes things might need a little tweak to get everything running smoothly again. Let's dive right into the steps and some troubleshooting tips to ensure Grammarly is up and running as it should be. First, let's make sure that the extension is installed and enabled in your browser. If you're using Google Chrome, you'll want to navigate to Chrome extensions. This is where you'll see a list of all the extensions you have installed in your browser. Look for Grammarly in this list. Once you find it, check to ensure that the toggle switch next to it is set to On. This simple step will confirm that Grammarly is active and should be able to function properly. Next, go ahead and click on the Grammarly icon in your toolbar or in the Extensions menu, depending on how you've configured your settings. Once you click on this icon, you'll need to check that the option labeled Check for Writing Suggestions, or something similar, is turned on for the website you're using. Sometimes, Grammarly might be disabled for specific sites by default, so it's important to confirm these settings whenever you switch sites or encounter an issue. Once you've verified all the settings are correct, the next step is to refresh the page. You can do this by hitting the refresh button in your browser or simply pressing F5 on your keyboard. Reloading the site will give Grammarly the opportunity to reset and start working on any newly applied settings. Another step to consider is signing in to Grammarly. Occasionally, certain features, especially the more advanced writing suggestions, are only available when you're logged into your Grammarly account. If there's a prompt asking you to sign in, make sure to do so to unlock the full range of features and ensure the extension functions at its best. Remember, these steps should cover the basic solutions for re-enabling Grammarly. But if you're still experiencing issues, there might be additional browser-specific settings or compatibility elements to consider. Regardless of the complexity, the steps covered in today's video should resolve the majority of cases where Grammarly isn't working as expected. By following this guide, you should be able to re-enable Grammarly and continue getting those writing prompts and suggestions with ease. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found these instructions clear and helpful, and that you're now ready to make the most out of Grammarly's fantastic writing aids. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment, and I'd be happy to help. Enjoy writing with Grammarly by your side.